guys? We're going today sturgeon fishing. Today is Saturday, 11:03, I think. Yeah, we go to Sturgeon Bay. The first time this year we try to catch some sturgeon. We'll see what we're catching, guys. Yo guys, it's little rough today, little windy. I need bigger boat. Someday we buy the bigger boat, right? Yeah, someday we buy bigger boat, guys. And we go to ocean fishing. Salmon, rockfish, linka, crab, sturgeon, halibut. We'll see, guys. Look at this, guys. Nice, beautiful sturgeon right here. It's two though. Some sturgeon, the striper, I think. First fish on right here, striper. I think it's sturgeon bite. It's bite hard. I think it's sturgeon. Look at it, guys. It's nice, 12 inches striper. The same striper, guys. 12 inches striper. Hey, come on, fishy. Nice fish.
Same one.
We have again fish on. Same shit, guys. Same shit. Kiss this baby. Come on, baby, kiss it. Same fish, guys. Okay, guys, we try to change the spot because it's too much striper bite, and I not coming with striper. Come for sturgeon. It's a lot of striper here. He eating salmon eggs. I'm tired of that shit. I think I have a fish again. Guys, catching stripers. This whole boat catching stripe. That guy just catching 35-pound striper. Wow! And
It's a huge one.
it's 35 pounds! And he have again some big fish, something. Yeah. It's big.
That's a good one too.
Yeah. We try to catch some sturgeon, just no bite.
No, they're slow.
It's very slow. Like just sturgeon is so slow.
Smaller.
Все добре. Oh, nice fish, да? So good, тримай. Все, almost here. Wow, this is huge.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, this is big. Split tail.
Wow.
She using split tail today. Nice. Look at this.
The biggest striper.
Look at this. A huge monster. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Wow. Big mouth. Fancy striper. Nice. Big striper right here. Is she catching? Hey, what's up, guys? We're done for today. We're catching bunch of small striper, and she catch this big 4-inch striper. See that 4-inch striper right there? Yeah, she gets nice fish. Yeah, no sturgeon today. It's too slow. I see there's some sturgeon jumping. There's some right there. That's it. Nothing. Next time, it's too slow right now. Some guys catching, some days good, some days slow. Weekend slow. Monday to Friday very good. Okay guys, see you. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment for more video. Huh? Yeah. Bye guys.
Нічого, йому пошуткувала, він навіть не зреагував. реагировал.
Що таке? Хто поламався? Ти чого?
Лодка. До двері відкриті, а я думала, то капот підняли.
Let's go! Be reckless. Ow!
Okay guys, we're home already. You see the big striper? It's like my freezer. Yep. This is monster fish. Monster fish. It's Godzilla. Look at this, guys. It's like 20-pound fish. Look at this monster. Oh.